In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz on Tally, so in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a teacher wanting to engage your students, a company conducting employee training, or just someone who loves quizzes, this step-by-step guide will help you craft an interactive quiz quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and search for Tally.so. Click on the correct link to navigate to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is straightforward and free. Just follow the sign-up prompts, and you'll be set to start with your quiz-making journey. After you've logged in, you'll be presented with two options. You can either begin with a blank page or choose a pre-existing quiz template if one is available. Starting from a template might save you some time, especially if you're new to using Tally.so. But if you're feeling creative or have a specific idea in mind, a blank page gives you the freedom to design every aspect of your quiz. Once you're ready to start adding questions, you can type directly onto the page. Alternatively, you can click the plus button. This will allow you to select from various question types like multiple choice or short answer. Tally.so offers a range of options, so you can mix and match to suit the needs of your quiz. For each quiz question, make sure to dive into the block settings. Here, you'll find an option labeled Score this question, or something similar. Enabling this feature allows the quiz to automatically generate scores based on respondents' answers, which is particularly helpful for grading purposes. In yet another step to ensure accurate scoring, go through each answer option within your scored questions and assign points to the correct choices. This way, the system knows which responses should earn points. Next, it's time to think about what happens after someone takes your quiz. You can set up a thank you page or a results page. This is where participants will be directed once they complete the quiz. Here, you can express gratitude for their participation or provide feedback based on their performance. Customization is key to making your quiz stand out. Add branding elements, such as your logo, and tailor the color scheme to match your brand's aesthetic. Furthermore, you can make the quiz more engaging by inserting images or embedding other online content. These elements can break up text and add a visual component to your quiz. If you want to add a level of complexity or personalization, use the Smart Calculations feature. This allows you to determine the final score or provide different results based on the responses. Further personalization can be achieved by setting up conditional logic. This means certain questions or results will only appear based on previous answers. Once you're happy with your quiz, it's time to publish it. Preview your work to ensure everything looks just right, then click Publish to generate a shareable link. With this link, your quiz can reach whoever you need it to, making it an effective tool for learning, engagement, or fun. So there you have it, creating a quiz on Tally. So is that simple? Thank you for watching, and happy quizzing.